My name is Monika and I'm with Fearless Cooking. Today we're going to make a breakfast dish, a Mediterranean, Middle Eastern breakfast dish, and it's called Shakshuka. You can only try to cook it if you can pronounce it 3 times in a row. Anyway, it's very easy, very simple done. I'm gonna turn on this pan. This pan I probably would use it for about 6 people. To saute them, give it a nice little stir. But I'm going to wait with the garlic in a minute till this gets a little bit more hot. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bloom my spices that I'm going to use. We're using cumin, really get all the oil out, and that will give you the flavor. And I'm also going to put a little bit of paprika in it. But paprika I will not bloom as long, and you got to be very careful. Otherwise your paprika will get bitter, and that's not what you want. So we're getting just about with the point where I'm going to put the garlic. I chopped some garlic up. You need a lot of garlic. The next one we're going to saute our peppers of a variety of colors, whatever you like. It doesn't necessarily have to be peppers. If you have something in the fridge that does not resemble peppers, but it's got squash or any other vegetable, that'll be fine too. It'll be your shakshuka. I'm going to put a couple of spoons of tomato paste in here. And I'm going to put some fresh tomatoes in there. I cut up some tomatoes, some soft. It's tomato season after all. And what we're going to do now is going to break this whole thing down by cooking it, reducing it and cooking it for a little while. Just put a little bit of flour in there, just a tad, and we'll just give it that little creaminess that I actually want in here. Now I'm also going to put some salt in here and some pepper. I will also add some oregano at this point. If you do not want to use fresh tomato,